we're officially ready to start and record here. So my third period class gets to be the participants in this. So yeah, so your I can statement, I can solve equations where you have to simplify first. And so you've already written this down. And well, you should have in 6.1 and 6.2. We've shown you this. Okay. And so, all right. So pay attention really good and cut out some of the background noise. So 6.2 is what we just did, right? Combine first, then two-step equation time. That's what we're going to be doing here today. So let me try and help you understand this a little bit better. Here's my beautiful scale, okay? And on the scale, what you're doing is I want to clean up the scale first here, and then I'm going to start solving. So this is why step one, clean up one side or both sides of the scale, and then go ahead and solve, all right? So when I clean it up, I can see I have a bunch of 1 pound weights on here, right? These are my 1 pound weights. And then I can see I have some unknown pound weights, right? I don't know what these weigh. But over here I have 20 pounds, and the scale is balanced. So I have over here 4 x's plus 8 pounds equals 20. So we're going to try and find what one of these equals. That's what we're going to try and do here. So first step I can do here, take 8 pounds off, right? I don't know why I did. Hang on. There. So we took 8 pounds off. And then we would have what over here? No, if I took 8 pounds off, 12 pounds. So 4x equals 12. And therefore, one of these x's equals 3 pounds. So when I divide by 4, x would equal 3 pounds. So you give a nice picture image. Again, pictures helping us out. Let's just delete that. There we go. And so that would be what we're doing here. We're going to simplify first by getting it all together and then solve. So that was not really our first example. This is our first example. 2c plus 2 plus 3c equals 12. So the left side of the scale has 3 terms there, right? 2c, 2, and 3c. I, of course, can combine like terms. Step 1, right? What can I combine?
2 and 2.
2 and 3. 2 cats and 3 cats. I got 5 cats. I don't know what I'm going to do with 5 cats. But, all right. So, now, two-step equation time, right? Since we've already tested you on this, you know how to solve two-step equations. So I could stop here. I don't even need to teach it, right? Subtract 2, divide by 5. What do you get? 2. Yep, subtract 2, divide by 5, and c equals 2. Now the check is still in play here. So I could go up here, and I can check. All right. Is 2 times 2, I need more room, plus 2 plus 3 times 2. Does that equal 12? That's the question you have to ask yourself. 4 plus 2 plus 6 is 12. So yes, it checks out. All right. That's what I'm doing. I take the answer, put it back into the original, and I'm going to know whether I'm right or not. Okay? Got it?
Got it.
Good. Let's take another look at another one. Now here, I put the letters on the right side of the scale. By the way, if that really bothers you, then just put the equals 15 over here. If that somehow makes your brain go, whoa, I have no clue what I'm doing. All right. Then go ahead and put it on the other side. So I have 15 equals 5b plus 12 minus 2b plus 6. And so what I ended up doing is highlighting the like terms here. All right, see, notice I highlighted the negative 2b as well. That means take away. And we've been chick booming here. I think that helps. Oh my goodness. There, chick, boom, beautiful. Add the opposite. So 5b plus negative 2b, we're going to end up combining here, right? Or 5b minus 2b. So our b's equal 3, and then we have 18. At this point, you should know what to do. Tell me what I should do. Somebody. Okay. One person. Alex? We're subtracting 3? What? We're undoing. Jasmine. Subtract 18 on both sides, right? And then divide by 3. Anyone get it yet? It's what? Negative 1. B equals negative 1. And notice I just kept the B on the right. I don't really need to put it on the left. So that's fine. And so if I put in negative 1 for B here and here, okay? So if I take 5 times negative 1 plus 12 minus 2 times negative 1 plus 6, I should get 15. I feel confident in that, although I do make mistakes. We found out on these. But that would be the answer then, okay? One more to show you here, and that's with the distributive property, right? So what do you do here? So you got 7 4 minus t's, right? So I got 7 4s, so that would be, somebody said it already, 28
Yeah.
minus 7t equals negative 84. Now, from here though, I gotta be cautious, all right? What's my undo step? Oh, see, I knew it. You don't look here. Where have I told you to look? You look where for a sign? To the left. So that's plus 28. Therefore, I'm going to subtract 28 on both sides. And again, there's another thing I need to be very cautious of. What's left on the left side? Oh. So let's go ahead and check boom this so we're clear. Check boom. So what's left? Negative 7t that drops down. So you see where people make two mistakes? One they told me to add 28. No, I subtract 28. 2, they told me 7t was left. And so I divide by negative 7 and answer. What's the answer? No one's got it.
16.
Okay, 16. All right, and just to prove this one, so I'm not lying to you, and you guys are going to check for me so I don't lie to people. Well, if I can find a place to put a text box. Okay, check. Z-check. Check. Okay, is 7, parentheses, 4 minus 16 equal to negative 84? Yes? Oh, good. They say yes. All right, then that's all she wrote then. The skinny lady has sung. Okay? So, I'm not sure what it is. Okay.